For a hollow shaft encoder that can withstand high mechanical loads and harsh operating environments, check out our A02H. This incremental encoder is compact with an installation depth of just 49 mm and support for shafts up to 42 mm. But it's the ruggedness of this IP65 rated encoder that really makes it stand out. It offers a dual bearing design that lets it tolerate high axial, radial, shock, and vibration loads. For all its strength though, the A02H features an economical aluminum and steel construction that makes it one of the most cost-effective ruggedized hollow shaft encoders you can buy. The A02H is available in a variety of sizes with mounting options, isolation inserts, and accessories that make it a true drop-in replacement for your legacy hollow shaft encoders. Applications for the A02H include all kinds of heavy-duty industrial machines, packing equipment, and more. You can learn more about A02H encoders at KublerNews.com.